Well, hi everybody. Here is a Firefly Junior, FF Junior in gold metal flake. Not bad, just opened this up a few minutes ago and the action was a little high, so I lowered it. Everybody knows about Firefly guitars. I think this thing was like $120. So, there are some issues with the finish, but who cares for 120 bucks? There's some discoloring and flaking along the fretboard edge here. And everybody knows about the tuners. This pickup is pretty noisy, which you're going to hear on the high gain, but most of the P90 styles are, the dog ears, whatever you want to call them. This came with 10s. The neck is pretty straight. Don't know about the truss rod yet. I haven't had to really work on it yet. But we're going to give you a couple sound samples. I'm going to go through the Friedman Runt 20. We have a clean channel and a dirty channel. It will get noisier when I get into the higher gain, but we'll just give you a few riffs and a few sounds so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, now we're going to get a little noisy. Seems like the intonation is a little off, but there is adjustment both ways. Low E looks like it's all the way back, but the only other thing I noticed is this nut, like a previous one I had, not cut deep enough. You fret at the third and there's, you know, a gap. I can almost fit my guitar pick in between there. Shouldn't be that big of a gap, which will help probably being able to lower the action a little more, but $120, whatever tax is, on top of it, and mahogany wood. I mean, how can you beat it? I mean, buy it and beat the hell out of it. Who cares? It's 120 bucks. I don't know how they're doing it. They don't stay in stock. I mean, these just came in a couple days ago, and they're gone, most of them. I think they may have one color left, 3 different colors. I actually ordered another one that'll be here in a couple days. So, double cut, 2 pickups, regular soap bar P90s, not the dog ears. And but you know, most of these guitars, tuners are okay. You know, the nut needs some work, and the bridge seems okay, tune-o-matic bridge. Pickup, you know, doesn't really suit my playing styles or needs. But you know, I'm going to take it apart and see at some point and see if I can just fit like a mini humbucker in there. Sometimes these covers are just covering over like a P90 style, so we'll see what's going on later on. But that's the new Firefly FFJR, like a Les Paul Jr., but a whole hell of a lot cheaper. Subscribe, check out my music on iTunes and Amazon and CD Baby, all my projects, and we'll see you on the next one hopefully soon. Tell your friends. Bye-bye.